back to Channel Lab. This is Shekhar, and in this tutorial, we are going to see how this Apache Spark works. So, in last tutorial, we have seen what exactly is the Apache Spark. So, Apache Spark is it's a framework for the big data processing and which uses parallel and the distributed computing on the clusters of machine. Okay, so last time we have seen that the Spark uses a master and slave architecture. So master means it's a driver, we can say, which coordinates the execution of tasks, and these tasks are assigned to a different nodes or workers, we can say. Okay, and these are called as the executors, or these are called as the workers. So these workers and the executors are work separately on the task assigned to them, and this task assignment is carried out by the cluster managers. Okay, so the Spark has core engines that handles these things. First one is the data abstraction, memory management, the fault recovery, scheduling, and set of libraries that provides the various functionality. So this is about the core engine. So whenever we provide the data into a Spark, so in Spark, that data is represented as the resilient distributed data set. This is also called as the RDD. So RDD is main data structure of the Spark, where resilient distributed data set. What exactly is the RDD? RDD is the immutable collection of the data items. Immutable collection of data items. So immutable means that cannot be changed. It's a collection of data items that can be transformed and cached across the nodes. So what happens? Initially when the data RDDs are created, so these RDDs are nothing but the immutable collection of the data. So these RDDs are provided to the worker nodes, okay, and where the actual processing is happening. So whenever so here is the parent RDD. These RDD is divided into number of RDDs where we have to apply different types of the transformations, and finally we have to collect the results. Okay, so while doing the transformations, every time whenever we carry out the transformation, the new RDD is created. So the RDD is not changeable in nature. So whenever we apply any type of the transformation, then or the filtering, in that case what happens, the new RDD is created, and finally whenever we put the action, so in that case we can collect the results, and that results can be retrieved at the driver node, we can say. Okay, so this is about the RDD. So RDD is the basic data structure of Spark. So Spark also supports the high-level data structures such as the data frames and data sets, which enables the SQL-like queries and optimization, structured streaming, which allows the real-time processing of the data. So basically, the RDDs are there, but whenever we say the high-level data structures, that is the data manipulation, in that case, by using a SQL, we can there are the data frames and the data sets are also available for the optimization of the job. So how this Apache Spark works? Thank you.